Today we are cooking an easy dish in the slow cooker, as this way of cooking is very convenient and we love the results it brings with stews. The typical bean kind used in Spain for this would be the faves, which are a big and mellow type harvested in the north of Spain. Using regular French beans works fine as an alternative. You can start soaking the beans in the morning of the day before you want to eat them. Clean the clams by leaving them for 30 minutes in cold water and repeat a total of 3 times. Then strain them and add them to a pan on a medium heat. Cover with the lid and wait until they get open. It should take around 5 minutes. Discard the ones that remained closed and leave them on the fridge until the beans are cooked. We are going to prepare a very light stock, but you can add more veggies such as carrot or tomato if you like. Saute the veggies with a bit of olive oil, and when done, add the water, cooking for a few seconds, and then blend the mix if you like. I prefer it this way. Add the beans and stock to the slow cooker and set it for roughly 10 hours in low temperature. It can be also cooked in a regular pot or a pressure cooker, but the extra time on the slow cooker brings up the flavors and leaves very tender beans. Once the time is over, see if any water that came from the clams and add it to the pot. Then add the clams and gently mix them with the beans. Add salt to taste and a bit of parsley. This is not the traditional faves con almejas recipe, but one we normally make at home. This is very comforting for winter months and great and simple combination of ingredients. Enjoy it!
Ooh.